Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We are doing the top 200 questions that you will likely experience or see in a Social Security Disability ALJ hearing. Let's go ahead and begin. The question is number 6. Did you ever work for the military? And have you ever been a citizen of another country? Ooh, saucy. And here's why. There's a lot of details in there that are super relevant to the core of this claim. Did you ever work for the military, right? You might have military benefits. You might have a VA rating. We might be able to use that VA rating as part of your adjudication. Are you currently receiving benefits? Because that answers a lot of questions about how you're affording things while not working right now. Next thing you got to look at is, have you ever been a citizen of another country? Well, then we have to ask, have they been working in this country, in the United States? Is there quarter of coverage analysis sharing? Can we grab some quarters of coverage from here and share them with this country over here? How many quarters of coverage do we have? Is that going to push our DLI forward in time? Is it a little bit lagging behind time? Do we need to make sure that an SSDI 16BK is filed so that we have SSDI benefits as an option, even though we didn't see them before? Well, maybe they could have had, 15 quarters of coverage to that other country. There's a national agreement, right, between them, and basically that national agreement, that United States contractual agreement with this other country, we can borrow those quarters of coverage, add them to the quarters of coverage when the person worked in the United States. Boom, we got enough quarters of coverage for SSDI benefits, and all of a sudden we've just done international law, and wasn't that fun? That question is important for assessing benefits that you might already be getting and explaining why you're paying things. What are the types of what could have happened to you? Like if you're in the military, this might be a PTSD claim. This might be you were injured by a bullet, you were injured by lifting something claim. It could be some of the classics that we see that come from military-based application vocational trends. With that said, over here, citizen of another country, where were you injured? Okay, tell me about your injury. What happened? It requires a little bit more analysis. Not everything is the same in other countries. Like if you get injured in this country, something small usually can be fixed. You get injured in another country, something small could turn out to be massive without medical treatment that other country didn't have. That's the analysis you need to start thinking about when it comes to these questions and why they're relevant. So begin that process with that, okay? Anyways, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. If you want the most up-to-date information or you want to go ahead and be a part of the live sessions, that's fine. They are 8 to 10 Thursday, every night, Eastern Standard Time. Every Thursday night. We're not going to try and kill anybody doing them every night. Have an absolutely wonderful night. I'll catch you a little bit later and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.